What's going on, guys? My name is Jimmy Miller, but you guys don't care about that. You're just here to see the Expressman suit that I bought for $86 to be unboxed. So let's just jump straight into it. Hey, if you like this video, give me a like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. But let's jump straight to the point. Okay, I just thought I'd show you the box that it came in. This is the box that it came in. Nothing fancy at all. Just a little, box. That's all it is. Let's crack it open and see what we got. Okay, I got my scissors here. Crack it open. It is the blue sateen suit is what I got. This is the extra slim, because if you can't tell myself, I am a little bit extra slim. That's it. We got a little bit of packaging details here. Nothing super important. Nothing fancy in the box at all. Throw that to the side. Alright, let's crack it open. But there it is. You guys see it. Now let's go try it on and see what it looks like. Man, this is some really nice fabric. Alright, so guys, something that's worth mentioning is the inside of the suit. You got a little bit of this action going on. Not necessarily pinstripes, but some stripes on the inside. You got the label here. It says Express Skinny Fit. I just happen to have the body shape for that. Of course, you got the extra pockets and whatnot. Alright, so let's go try this thing on.